Welcome to Innovision, where we explore the cutting edge of tomorrow's technology today. In this video, we're diving into personalized robots that's reshaping our future. Let's jump into today's 10 cool exploration. #1 AI-powered personal robots. Your robot, your assistant. Future personal robots will have AI-driven personalities. They will adapt to your preferences and habits over time. #2 Emotion-sensing robots. Robots that understand feelings. AI assistants will detect human emotions, helps them respond appropriately and improve interactions. 3, household chore robots. No more cleaning for you. Advanced robots will handle all home cleaning tasks. Equipped with AI, they will vacuum, wash, and tidy up. 4, voice-activated home automation. Talking to your house. AI assistants will integrate deeply into home automation. Users will control lights, security, and appliances via voice commands. #5 smart cooking assistants. Your personal chef at home. AI-powered robots will cook customized meals. They will follow recipes perfectly and adjust to dietary needs. 6, AI-powered shopping assistants. Never forget your groceries again. Robots will track home supplies and order refills, integrated with smart refrigerators and online stores. 7, personal fitness trainers. AI keeping you in shape. Robots will analyze your health and suggest exercises. Real-time feedback will optimize workouts and prevent injuries. 8, AI-powered personal stylists. Robots picking your outfits. AI will analyze trends and suggest clothes based on your style. Helps optimize fashion choices and wardrobe management. #9 smart babysitter robots. AI watching over kids. Personal robots will monitor and entertain children. They will have safety protocols to ensure child well-being. #10 AI-driven home security. A robotic security guard. Smart assistants will detect threats and alert homeowners. Uses facial recognition and motion detection. And that's our glimpse into the future of personalized robots for today. If you found this interesting, remember to hit that subscribe button. This is Innovision, where we're always looking ahead to what's next in technology. Until next time, stay curious and keep innovating.